Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer video, and today we're going to be replacing the maintenance box on the Epson EcoTank M2170. This is a very important function with printer maintenance because if this is not replaced, then you're not going to be able to continue printing and you can cause other damages to the printer. So I congratulate you for watching this video. Many people don't take this step. If this video ends up being helpful, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. So why don't we get started with the back of the printer. So just make sure the rear side of the printer is facing you. And on the left hand side, once it's facing you from the rear, you're going to see a screw that is holding this panel to the printer itself. So it's one panel, one screw. Once the screw is loosened, you then will be able to slide the panel off. This is the panel that once removed will give you access to the maintenance box of this printer. I'm going to be leaving a link in the description below for a brand new maintenance box. That's what you're going to need when replacing it. Just quick disclosure, this printer actually does not need this replacement. I'm using the same maintenance box when I'm removing and when I'm replacing it. This is simply to show you and demonstrate how you are to do that. If you have a very used up maintenance box, there's going to be a ton of ink in there. It's going to be gooped up. You want to throw that in the trash, and you see there's the compartment where you're going to be replacing and placing in the new maintenance box. So you're going to be placing it just like you removed it. You're going to be placing it in there, and then you're simply replacing the panel and adding the screw back onto the printer. Once your maintenance box is in place, the printer should be able to pick up on that new maintenance box, and it should be able to integrate into the printer's system. So I hope that this video ended up helping you with showing you how to replace the maintenance box on the Epson EcoTank M2170. Any questions at all, again, comment below. If this video was helpful, please make sure to like. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. That's really all I have for today. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.